That is a hyperbole. Why? Is there such a thing that exists? Pearl of the world? There isn't. Okay. It's exaggeration. There's no such thing as a pearl of the world. It's just saying that this is an extremely big and beautiful pearl. Right? Would you agree? So, example, pearl. There's no such thing as a pearl of the world. It's just that it's just an exaggeration to say that that Kino has found something that is extremely big and beautiful. So it's a hyperbole, it's an exaggeration. And yes, okay, the first one, metaphor, how news travel through a town is a mystery. Okay, let's check answers very quickly. This is the answer here. There is a personification, there's a metaphor. All right, the personification was actually what Adit mentioned just now. The town was pulsating and vibrating, or the news traveled through. Okay, so the example is correct, but the classification is wrong. Okay, it should have been, it's not metaphor, but it is a personification. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The example is correct, but the device is classified wrongly. Okay. The town was pulsating and vibrating. News traveled through town. What is the meaning of pulsating? Anyone? What's the meaning of pulsating? Okay, have you ever seen those strobe light? Light go like that. The kind of light, like especially in our iPhone or Android phone, you see those light that go like that, horizontal or vertical, like it's like okay, I think I got better. Okay, example, let's say this is a beam of light, then use a different color to demonstrate. Then you see something like this. Okay, yeah. The light go from here like that. Then after that again, like that. This is called pulsating or pulsing. Okay, the light, ding, 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 right? Something like that. So that is called pulsating. Come from the pulse, our pulse, our wrist, the pulse in our wrist. So it continue to beat. Okay, continue to beat. Okay, so that's pulsating. And metaphor, the news swept on past. It washed on. This one, not many pick up this metaphor. Okay, the news swept on past, or it washed in a foaming wave into the town. Okay, it's like comparing it to a wave, right? Comparing it to a wave, a gigantic wave that swept into the entire town, like a tsunami. Like a tsunami. So the news is being compared to like a wave, like a tsunami, swept into the entire town. That's why it's a metaphor. Okay, can everyone?